And that shocking image has also stirred a political controversy because the BJP's spokesperson and face on national TV, Dr. Sambit Patra, put out a tweet earlier today showing those disturbing visuals from Sopore, where a 3-year-old boy sat on the body of his grandfather who was killed in the crossfiring, and then captioned it, "Pulitzer lovers," asking effectively whether the journalists from Jammu and Kashmir who had won Pulitzer prizes for their coverage of the violence in the valley would also show this picture. And joining me now is my first newsmaker today, the BJP spokesperson, Dr. Sambit Patra. Appreciate your joining us, Dr. Patra. Every time I see this photograph with your caption that you put, "Pulitzer lovers," a little boy over his grandfather's dead bodies, and you have captioned it, "Pulitzer lovers?" ? I must ask you, where is your empathy, Dr. Patra? Why are you mocking a tragedy, a terror tragedy like this in this manner?
Rajdeep, first let me give out the complete tweet. It's a set of two tweets, in fact, and you would see that the first tweet reads about Pulitzer lovers, which is a gang I consider, just as we consider that Khan Market gang and, in fact, Lutyens gang is not a geographical location. It is about a thought process.
What is the thought process, for God's sake, Dr. Patra, for God's sake? What is the need to caption it with Pulitzer lovers? You are mocking a tragedy.
Don't have to shout. Just a second. I'll tell you who are the Pulitzer lovers. I'll tell you. You'll get all your answers, Mr. Rajdeep. Be calm. Heart-wrenching, but still there is a lobby which would either be silent or try and find everyone else's fault, but would stop short from pinning down either the terrorists or their overground workers. Shame on these Pulitzer lovers. Of course, you remember the Pulitzer Award was given to 3, in fact, photojournalists of India?
Yes.
And what were the pictures? I have the pictures. I don't want to waste, in fact, time by showing the pictures. The pictures were how, as fact, Indian army was occupying Kashmir. The pictures were attack on Indian army. Today we have a picture where we see the Indian army protecting a scarred 3-year-old kid. And well, yes, where is the Pulitzer Award lovers
No,
now?
1 minute. First of all, you, Mr. Dr. Patra, you obviously have no clue of the Kashmir Valley or how photojournalists function in the Kashmir Valley. Obviously, you're clueless about that.
No, I have all the clues, sir. You don't have the clues, sir. I have
they are
every
caught
clue.
in the crossfire between terrorists on one side.
Sir, just a second, sir. Don't underestimate me. Just a second, Mr. Rajdeep. You have asked me a question. Let me answer. Mr. Rajdeep Sardesai, I'm an Indian. I know about Kashmir and have every clue about what's happening where, because I'm the spokesperson of the biggest political party of the world.
Yes, so
I know there is a
that's exactly it. The biggest political party spokesperson should label a photograph as Pulitzer lovers.
Of course.
You are insulting people in the process. You are insulting everyone who has fought valiantly also in the valley.
We are insulting people. We are exposing people, sir. Mr. Rajdeep Sardesai, first and foremost, you have asked me a question. Remember what the previous president had said to you? If you call people for interviews, don't insult them by shouting
I'm
at
not
them.
insulting,
Keep
sir.
cool.
I'm disturbed. I thought better of you, Dr. Patra. That's all. I'm disturbed.
You are disturbed, so you have asked a question. You are disturbed. Mr. Rajdeep Sardesai, you are disturbed. That is why you are asking a question. And don't disturb me now, because I'm answering your question. I'm trying to take down your disturbance. Number one, what's wrong in this picture? Let me tell you, this picture should go to every corner of the globe. Every house in the world should possess that picture, because this picture speaks volumes. This picture shows the heartlessness of jihad. This picture speaks about Pak-sponsored terrorism. This picture says as to how people are orphaned in Jammu and Kashmir just because of the fact that there are a set of people in Pakistan and their overground workers here in India who try to wage jihad against India, number one.
Yes.
Number two, there were a set of people in this, Omar Abdullah, PDP chief, who was saying that the army was the one which was responsible. And look at you, Mr. Rajdeep Sardesai, you were not disturbed because of that. You were disturbed because I rightly tried to expose the ones who loved the Pulitzer pictures which showed India in dark lights. which demeaned India,
Mr.
which demeaned India's army, those pictures are
Can
fine.
I tell you,
But
can
this
I
picture,
tell you at
just
the
a second,
moment, Dr.
Rajdeep,
Patra,
this
1 minute.
picture
The son
should
of the
be, let me tell you one
60-year-old
thing.
civilian
Let me
Bashir
tell you one
Ahmed
thing
who
and I end
died
it.
says
I-
his
10
father
seconds
was
and I
brought
end
down
it. 10 seconds and
from the
I
vehicle
10
and killed by the
10 seconds and I
CRPF.
end it.
The father of this boy, look, this incident is shrouded in claims
okay,
and
let me answer
counter-claims.
that.
My
Okay,
limited
let-
point to
let
you
me-
is,
let me
when
answer
such
that.
an incident
Let me
takes
answer
place,
that.
surely you must wait,
Okay.
press the pause button before you tweet in the manner that you do. Here is the father
Okay.
of the son of the 60-year-old civilian
Rajdeep,
saying his father was
just a
brought
second.
down from vehicle
Okay.
and killed by CRPF.
Okay.
That's what Ashraf Wani, Aaj Tak's correspondent, is reporting.
Rajdeep,
Yes.
can I ask you a question in return?
Yes.
You are an ace journalist. You were an ace reporter once upon a time. The question is, Rajdeep, what do you believe? What do you believe that the CRPF pulled this old gentleman and killed him in fact in cold blood?
Sir,
what do you believe?
I would like to trust my armed
What do you
forces.
believe?
I would like to
No,
trust
please,
my
I
armed
just
forces.
asked- I just
I am
asked
not
a
on the
question.
ground. I
I
am
just
not on the
asked-
ground. Ashraf Wani, our
like to
reporter,
trust.
is on the
Okay.
ground.
Now-
All I
now
am
let
saying,
me answer.
all I am saying,
Now,
sir,
sir,
all I am
Milord,
saying,
Milord,
whatever
let me
happens,
answer. Milord,
is
let
this
me- no, no, no,
is
I have
this
not
a moment to
completed- I have
mock a
not
tragedy?
completed my answer,
This is a
Rajdeep.
tragedy.
Rajdeep, just a second. I have not
A
completed.
6-year-old boy has
Just a
lost his
second.
grandfather.
Rajdeep, first and foremost, this is terrorism. Just a second. This is terrorism. Get it right. And Rajdeep, I asked you a question. You said,
I agree.
I would like to.
We are united
have faith
against
on my
terror.
army. You would, just a second, Mr. Rajdeep, you don't have to shout over me. Mr. Rajdeep, I want to be calm. You should be calm so that people can understand. Thank you. Rajdeep, when I asked you, what do you believe? You said, I would like to believe my army. You would like and love to believe your army, but I believe my army. I don't have to ask anyone, Ashraf Wani or whoever that reporter of yours is, I don't have to ask him that whatever was said was wrong. I'll tell you why his father said so. Because this is what happens in Kashmir. If he would have said otherwise, he would also have been eliminated by the terrorists. That is the way people had been living in the garb of fear in Kashmir. Gradually, thankfully, after abrogation of Article 370, after the
violence
in fact,
continues. After
waging
the
war
abrogation
against
in
terrorism
August of last year, the
situation
violence
just a second,
continues.
no, Mr. Rajdeep, don't transgress. Don't transgress. Now you said that this is a tragic picture. Why should I show this picture? Let me tell you, Mr. Rajdeep Sardesai, this picture should be shown by India in the United
Sir, please.
Nation Assembly session.
Sir,
I'll tell you
please
why.
show the picture, but why
Just a
do you
second.
need the caption?
Last
Why
time,
do you need to
remember
mock
Pakistan-
the tragedy
Just a
of a
second.
3-year-old boy? I will
Why
ask
don't-
you in
why-
conclusion,
why-
Dr.
why
Patra.
shouldn't-
What
why
will you
shouldn't
tell
I-
that
why
3-year-old
shouldn't I-
boy when he
why
grows up?
shouldn't I
What will you
expose-
tell that
I'll tell you
3-year-old
the
boy when he
caption.
grows
I'll
up, Dr. Patra?
I'll tell you. Yeah, I'll tell the 3-year-old boy that he is an Indian. He always was an Indian, but still in India there were people who had supported Pakistan. I would tell the 3-year-old boy when he becomes 30 that there were people who in fact were responsible for the death of your grandfather because they all the way supported jihad. I will tell the 3-year-old when he gets 30-year-old that there were news anchors who said that I would have loved to in fact believe the Indian army, but I did not because some Ashraf Wani somewhere said that Indian army pulled
Do not
out.
misinterpret
the
my
grandfather
words.
and
I said
killed him
I
in
like
cold
to
blood.
believe the
I
Indian
would say
army,
that-
but I
just
will
a
also
just a second.
go by the version that
You
my
would like
reporter
to
gives
is-
on the ground.
You would like,
Please do
Mr.
not
Rajdeep
misquote me.
Sardesai, you have been caught red-handed. You have been caught.
What?
No, I'm not misquoting you, sir. Your exact words were, I would have liked to believe my army. And I say, I believe my army. If you believe, you say, I believe. You do not have to say, I like to believe, number one. But I don't want to transgress.
Yes.
Let me tell you the importance of this picture. I was just saying that when you interfered. Remember that lady representative of Pakistan showing one picture in United Nations, and the picture was a Palestinian woman's picture, and on the garb of the picture she said that this is how we have atrocity in Kashmir. Did you know where the picture come from? The picture came from the Communist Party of India because that picture was used as a poster in Kerala. The Congress and the Communist Party's picture was used in United Nations against India. I want that this picture should become the picture of representation across the globe that this is what jihadists, Pakistanis and the jihadi supporters, the left, liberal,
So
Islamist
you are not going to
staying in
apologize.
India
You are
have
not
done
going to
Kashmir
apologize for
over
the kind
years.
of lack of empathy
Apologize?
that you have shown by labeling
Apologize?
this picture with Pulitzer
Sorry,
Awards.
sir.
Please show
Sorry,
the
sir.
picture.
The
There was
Dia
no need for the
Mirzas.
label.
Sorry, sir. The Dia Mirzas and the Dadlanis have to apologize.
Okay.
The Dia Mirzas, the Dadlanis, the Swara Bhaskars have to. Where are they? Where are they? Where are their placards? Why aren't they ashamed today to be an Indian? They were ashamed yesterday to be an Indian. Where are they?
Okay.
Where are their placards?
Okay.
Why aren't they ashamed that there's jihad sponsored
let's
by
leave it-
Pakistan? Where are their placards?
Let's
Or
leave it
all
there,
their placards are
Dr.
paid
Patra.
placards?
This is not about placards.
Where are
As
the
I said,
Gadlanis
this is
and the
about
Diya
basic
Mirzas?
human empathy. A 3-year-old boy has tragically
Yes,
lost
this is about
his
placards,
grandfather.
sir. This is about placards.
We are
Mr.
one
Rajdeep
on the
Sardesai,
issue
this
of
is
terror.
about
We must
placards.
strike out
Just a
against
second,
jihadi
Mr.
terror,
Sardesai,
but we must
Mr.
first show
Sardesai,
empathy
Mr.
for
Sardesai.
innocent citizens.
We should
That's
have
where
two
we differ.
placards.
I don't think you showed empathy.
I'll
You
tell
do.
you.
You believe you
Just a
did.
second.
Let's leave it there.
I'll just
We
complete
agree to
my
disagree.
sentence.
Thank you very much,
I'll
Dr.
tell you,
Patra, as
I'll tell
always.
you.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.